Hello everybody. Well, today I'm going to do one of those things I say I'm never going to do, and I'm going to unbox something just because it's a gift. It's to try out, to show everybody. This is something from, if anybody knows, Big J. Well, he does cool things. So we got something here. And we have the Penty back there. And we have what could be a decibel reader. By the way, we're working with a little handmade Damascus knife. I did not make it. It is sharp, but a little thick. Very sharp. Well, let's do some more cutting here. Not my finger, though. Moderator from Big J. Airguns. I believe these are different calibers. Yes, that one is much smaller than that one. And there's a third. There must be 177, 22, 25. Yep. Just 1 second. Trying to get them all lined up here in my hand. All right. There we go. I think this middle one is 25, yep, I think that's how they are. 1/2 20 threads, 3D printed. You can find these on eBay. He has them. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I figured we'd try them on the Penty. And everybody wanted to know what the Penty sounded like. Well, I'll use the decibel reader, shoot the Penty in its stock configuration, like it is right now, and then I'll unscrew the shroud and thread on one of these and see how much that knocks off from the sound. So, yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So everybody, let me get set up here with the decibel reader and the camera and everything, and we'll see how loud it is and how quiet it is. All right, everybody.